Imagine waking up one morning, feeling as spry as you did in your 20s, with a mind sharper than ever. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that the key to reversing some of the most debilitating effects of aging might just lie in the blood of the young? Researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery: young blood contains proteins that, when introduced to older individuals, can actually reverse key features of aging. This isn't about eternal youth, but about understanding the underlying mechanisms that drive aging. The implications are profound. If we can harness these proteins, we might not only improve the quality of life for the elderly, but also gain insights into preventing age-related diseases. But aging isn't just about what's in your blood, it's also about how you treat your body. Exercise, for instance, isn't just about physical health, it triggers the release of pro-health factors like clustering, which significantly enhances brain function. This means that every time you engage in physical activity, you're not just building muscle or endurance, you're also sharpening your mind. Here's the fascinating part: not all parts of your body age at the same rate. Some organs remain remarkably stable for decades before they start to decline, while others begin their downward spiral from early adulthood. Understanding these organ-specific aging rates can revolutionize how we approach healthcare, allowing for targeted interventions that could potentially halt or even reverse decline in specific areas. Now, you've probably heard that a clean lifestyle is key to a long, healthy life, and you're right. However, there's a catch: while avoiding pollutants is crucial, the long-term effects of those cumulative exposures are still somewhat of a mystery. It's a reminder that even with all our knowledge, there's still much to uncover. Dietary habits also play a critical role. Intermittent fasting, for example, can trigger significant metabolic changes, potentially offering a pathway to better health. However, the jury's still out on its long-term benefits, highlighting the need for more research into what works and what doesn't. But there's one aspect of health that's unequivocally clear: sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's during sleep that your brain undergoes glymphatic clearance, the vital process of clearing out waste. So, every time you skimp on sleep, you're not just feeling tired, you're potentially harming your brain's ability to detoxify itself. And then there's the power of something as simple as deep breathing. Deliberate deep breathing exercises can impact your blood chemistry, and by extension, your overall health. It's a stark reminder that sometimes the simplest actions can have profound effects. But how do we measure the impact of all these factors on our bodies? The answer lies in technology. We can now estimate the biological age of our organs by measuring thousands of proteins, giving us a snapshot of our health that goes beyond mere chronological age. This is crucial because cellular aging is directly linked to susceptibility to diseases like ALS and Alzheimer's. By understanding how our cells age, we might uncover new ways to combat these devastating conditions. And at the forefront of this research is the ambitious project to map the human proteome across genetic diseases. Imagine having a comprehensive picture of how your body responds to specific genetic disruption. It's not just about understanding disease, it's about personalized healthcare, tailored to your unique genetic blueprint. So, that morning where you wake up feeling as vibrant as ever? It's not science fiction. It's the potential future of health, where understanding the intricacies of aging and the human body leads to a life that's not just longer, but profoundly better. The journey to that future starts with embracing the latest discoveries and making informed choices about your health. The question is, are you ready to take the first step? Check out Profile for podcast summaries.